How to turn off email notification on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off email notification on Yelp. So if you're tired of getting constant emails from Yelp, this quick guide will help you to stop them easily. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, start by opening the web browser, and now here, once inside the web browser, simply click on the search bar and simply search for yelp.com, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of Yelp. So here simply sign in to your account, and here once you're logged in you'll land on the home page where you will see all variety of local businesses and listing. Now here you can simply go to your profile section. So here just look at the top right corner and just click on the profile icon, and from the drop down menu simply click on account settings. And now here, once you're inside the account settings, on the left hand side of the account settings page, simply click on email notification. And here, if prompted, go ahead and re-enter your password to confirm your identity. And here, once you are on the email settings page, scroll down until you see receive emails from Yelp. And here you will see a checkbox next to this option. So to stop getting emails, simply uncheck this box. And after that, you can simply scroll down to the bottom of the page and just click on save notification changes, and that's it. Now you have successfully disabled email notification from Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.